Fabio, what is going on?
It's a gun.
What is happening right now?
I found a gun and I brought it to the park. I panicked, I grabbed it, and I got it out of there as quick as I could.
Yeah, this is really bad.
Yeah, I know, but I didn't know what to do. I didn't want anyone else to have the gun. I felt like I wanted it for this weird thing.
Okay, deep breaths. Where did you find the gun?
I was just rummaging through Greg's stuff back at the house in his bedroom. I was just under his bed. I usually like shit under there near just like the head of the bed, so like the scent wafts up. But there was this little box there, and
that's where you found the gun.
Yeah, a bit of a shock. I didn't know he was a gun guy.
And I did not know that you were a gun dog.
Well, yeah, you don't know a lot about me. I've got it in me.
So what actually happened next?
I needed to get to the park and there was no other way. So I shot a hole in the window, and then it was pretty cool actually. I just dived through the window and then I came straight to you. I was like, I got to tell someone. And I ran to this park, and thank God there's only the little humans around. There's not really anyone else. So it's cool.
Yeah. Like admittedly, it does look pretty badass.
Yeah. Oh, because it felt great. I was just like galloping and holding this gun. Like it's pretty disproportionate to my body, but aside that, yeah, pretty cool.
Yeah, it's really scary, but also pretty cool.
Well, like you want me on your side now, right?
Yeah, absolutely. But I feel like we do have to ditch this gun. Because if we get found out with this, I think we are going away to the big house.
The thing as well is Greg's going to know pretty immediately that it was me because I actually popped his shit in the box.
I don't approve, but I understand.
But yeah, you're right. We gotta ditch this thing. I don't even know if I want Greg having it really.
Yeah, he could shoot you now.
Okay, well that hadn't occurred to me.
Have you seen that famous dog movie, Old Yeller?
No.
In that movie, Old Yeller gets rabies and they explode its face.
What?
With a gun.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so...
I've got rabies. So, like, cross that off the list. I don't need any more reasons.
Yeah, buddy, you're pretty screwed.
Oh yeah, we got to get rid of it.
Okay, listen. I saw some small humans over there playing in the sandpit.
Yeah, I saw those, yeah.
So let's drop the gun by them, and Greg will think that they're the ones who broke into his place, stole the gun, and took a shit under his bed.
Yeah, small poops as well. Already, I feel like this is a good idea. I'll just drop it over there. I'll put it at the feet of like the biggest one, and then we'll get out of there.
And then we can take a shit in their sandpit as well and show them who's boss.
We'll take a shit near the kids.
Yeah.
I don't see how that's related. Do you just need a shit or something? We can shit. Like, you can shit here if you want. I prefer to just be more mature and just give them the gun, give them the nod, then skedaddle.
Yeah. That is probably a better idea.
If you